Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to naturally control tomato hornworms in the garden. Here's a clip from the show. Okay, so if you take a look at this tomato plant, do you see something missing? All the leaves are stripped and it ate the flowers, and it's like, what the heck is going on? So we need to put on our detective hat and start figuring this out. So if you come on down the plant, right here, in this leaf, right there, that is a tomato hornworm poop. So this poop tells me what was eating this plant. So now that I know what the critter is, we can actually do something about that. So we are going to do some of the Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew on here. It's a fairly large worm. I don't see it right now. Maybe it went down during the day, so I come out at night. If it was just sitting here, we would just pick it off, put it in the party jar, because as you can see, they can do a lot of destruction. But we'll go ahead and start spraying these as well and see if we can't get that stopped. So the plant it'll have new shoots coming out. We still got the top on this one. This one's, I think that's the main one. This one's a sucker, but we'll probably make this one the main one now and cut this one off because there's really no top left on it. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week 9. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.